Hey everyone, what's going on? It's Tuesday today? Yeah, Tuesday. I'm back in the AU. Just got my ice break from the shop. So I'm about to go to the wreckers, have a look at some parts, maybe get an exhaust because this one's leaking and it's annoying me, sounds like crap. So stay tuned. So I'm at the wreckers, just trying to find where the AUs are at. Can't really see where they're at, so we're just gonna walk around, have a look. So found an AU. It's got a sick exhaust system on it. So this one, it's got a sports system on it because I don't think there's meant to be a muffler right here. It's only got one muffler and it looks to be in good condition. That's what I need. It's going to be perfect, I think. This is a sedan. This one's a sedan, so I don't know if it's going to fit. I might have to modify and extend it. I'm going to go see if there's a wagon one here, see if I can get that. It might be a bit easier. So they didn't have any AU Falcon wagons at the wreckers. There's always another wreckers to go to, but I'm not going to go out there at the moment because it's a fair way and I just don't have time today. So I'm not actually sure what to do now. I might just go home and fix me washers. Just for you guys as reference, this is my leaky exhaust. Yeah, no good. Leaky and annoying. I don't like it. Going to definitely have to fix that up. Who's keen to see that? Comment below if you want to see me change the exhaust. Should I put a stock system on it or should I make it loud? Who knows? You guys know. Comment below. So one last quick thing. I am learning still, as you can see. Yeah, I'm still learning, so I am doing my courses on how to improve for you guys. So yeah, I am learning. So if you have any feedback, leave it down in the comment section and I'll reply to you and try to be better at doing what I am doing. Thanks guys, don't forget to comment, subscribe. Yeah, comment below, subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends, whatever. I don't care, do whatever you want. Or not. Don't subscribe, don't like. Just like it if you want, I don't care.